What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to my channel, Life with Ashley Lorraine. I am Ashley and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be unboxing a ring light that I ordered from Amazon. So today I wanted to unbox it. I think I paid like $40 for it. I'm gonna put a screenshot in of the exact model, brand, name of the exact ring light that I ended up purchasing.
Open up, you OPN, bitch you won't baby we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya.
Once again, I ordered it from Amazon. I believe it was $40 or $43.99. So it came in the Amazon box. It was like next day delivery. So today is Wednesday. I ordered this Monday and it came on Tuesday. It was delivered the next day. So I think it's one of those items that Amazon usually just kind of has in stock and ready to go. But before we get into the video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell if you want to be notified every time that I post, and don't forget to like this video, and please feel free to comment down below if you have any comments, suggestions, anything like that. So let's go ahead and open up the package.
You OPN, bitch you won't baby we should be closer than friends.
So it's packaged nicely. This is actually I believe this is like a really good brand. It's called Ubeesize. How do you pronounce it? Ubees. My daughter says Ubees, but Ubeesize or Ubees or Ubeesize, I don't know. But I also have another tripod that's made by them. And I'm hoping that this is pretty easy to assemble. My mini one was extremely easy to assemble, like it just clicked together. So hopefully this one is not difficult to assemble as well. So this I like it. It's a nice little case that comes with it, and you could probably just like put it on your shoulder. So that's cute. That's really cute. But yeah, so that's how that came in this box.
You OPN, bitch you won't baby we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda.
And it's just kind of how to work it. So instructions for the remote. And then that's all that came in this box. So not a lot of pieces, just the 3 pieces. And let's open this. So it comes with this little button that you can pull open. It's a nice sturdy. It's not, so the mini tripod that I have is bendable, so I can bend that one. I may have to like just show you guys how that works, but this one is not bendable. It's a sturdy like metal, I guess. So it's not bendable. It's literally just made to like hold still. So let's see how to my hands are always like, I just got to washing dishes, so don't mind my hands. They're a little on the ash side. Because I mean, she could be in it.
The little boy got his own channel and he making.
Well, he already making 26 million, so you think that he applies to the rules? No. Yo, did you watch my last video? Oh, you haven't even watched my last video. What type of mess is that? People in your house don't even support you.
It be so many, man.
People in the house don't even support you. What type of mess?
On YouTube like that.
Well, I'm gonna need you to if you don't watch no videos, you need to watch my video. That could be the only video. It ain't so many. I haven't posted in over 2 weeks. Over 2 weeks. So you mean to tell me you can't take 10 minutes and watch the video? The nerve of it.
I gotta look and see why I don't get the alerts anymore. I used to get those alerts when you post.
Okay, so how does this work? Okay, so before I do that, maybe let me open this and see if there are any instructions. I'm assuming this is the light portion. So this also came with a nice little bag. Nice and soft, drawstring bag. And here's the light. Okay, yes, there are my instructions, guys. Found them. These instructions look pretty straightforward, which is always great because I don't have time to try to interpret, instructions. I need them to be straightforward. So it works for both cameras and phones. Right now I'm just using my phone, so.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you on my.
Okay, so this is part of the reason why I want this, because it's gonna stand up tall, guys. It's like, so I don't have to have the tripod on the table. Okay, so let's see how easy it is to open up these legs. And I am losing my sunlight as I speak. So this is gonna be great because I'm gonna be able to record at night when the sun is gone. So we'll see how good it turns out. And then it'll be a good test. Since the sunlight is going away, let's see how my picture comes out once I get this all together. So
she's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up.
So it's also telling me that it has rubber on the bottom of it so that it doesn't scrape up the floors. Okay. Once you get all the legs out, you just flip the locks back in to lock it in place. Now, it's a little resistant, so I was like, I don't want to break it, but yeah, so that's how you lock it back in. Gotta put a little force in it. Okay, there we go. So there it is. I love it so far, y'all. I love it.
OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, and take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up.
So then you lock your phone in there like that.
Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
So it came with USB cord only, so I just used the base of my phone charger to attach.
Open up.
So here's what it looks like, guys, with a phone attached to the phone holder that is actually used with the ring light portion. And again, it can be turned horizontally or vertically.
Okay guys, so I'm using the ring light right now. I give it an A+. It's basically dark outside right now, like the sun has set and it's really dark. You can see my light from the TV. But other than that, it's really dark, and this is the lighting that I'm getting while using the ring light. So I think it's a plus. Like, I'm all for it. I'm all for it. This is really gonna help me be able to record when it's dark out. Dancing in my video.
Oh, you can see. Sorry.
Clearly I can see you. So yes, so I just want to wrap up the video. I wanted to bring the ring light upstairs so you guys can see how it looks in the dark with the lighting. See how it looks when my phone's in it and I'm actually recording using it. So I think this is an absolute plus. I'm really loving this. I think this was a great buy. Again, $43. Amazon, quick delivery, all that good stuff. So if you guys stuck around to the end of this video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the notification bell if you would like to be notified every time that I post. Like, comment, all that good stuff. Again, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.